Let's eat out tonight at a restaurant. Let's eat out tonight at a restaurant. I work in an office. I work in an office. My favorite fruit is apple. My favorite fruit is apple. I take the bike to work. I take the bike to work. I called my cousin last night. I called my cousin last night. He brought up an interesting idea. He brought up an interesting idea. The company sent an email about the schedule. The company sent an email about the schedule. Could you speak up, please? Could you speak up, please? I went to the market by car. I went to the market by car. He is good at math. He is good at math. I prefer tea over coffee. I prefer tea over coffee. Please bring your laptop to the meeting. Please bring your laptop to the meeting. Studying hard brings great results. Studying hard brings great results. She always gives great advice. She always gives great advice. Exercise gives you more energy. Exercise gives you more energy. He is smart and works very hard. He is smart and works very hard. Call me after 8 p.m. Call me after 8 p.m. They are just friends. They are just friends. I wake up early every day. I wake up early every day. She cooks food in the kitchen. She cooks food in the kitchen. He is reading a book now. He is reading a book now. We are going to school today. We are going to school today. They play in the park daily. They play in the park daily. Please close the door quietly. Please close the door quietly. I am feeling very happy today. I am feeling very happy today. She is writing in her notebook. She is writing in her notebook. He drinks water after exercise. He drinks water after exercise. We watch a movie together. We watch a movie together.